A cable car connecting Shota Rustaveli Avenue with the amusement park on Mount Mtatsminda has opened in Tbilisi. It is equipped with 21 gondolas, each accommodating 8 people. Travel time is about 4 minutes. The cable car can transport 1,200 passengers per hour. The cable car restoration project began in 2021. The cable car includes a lower and upper station and 5 support towers between the stations. The total cost of the project is 50 million GEL. This is a ring, single cable gondola car. The cable car suspended operations after an accident on June 1, 1990, which killed 19 people. One of the reasons for the tragedy was the overcrowding of the cabins. One of them had 46 passengers, and the other 47 passengers. You can get to the upper station of Mtatsminda not only by cable car or funicular, but also on foot or by public transport. At the top of the mountain there is a panoramic restaurant, an amusement park, an ancient Christian church and a pantheon with burials of outstanding figures of the country. Mtatsminda is the crown of the city. It is a favorite place for rest and walks of Tbilisi residents. It is a holy necropolis of the Georgian people. Having glanced at Mtatsminda at least once, you will fall in love with it, and the desire to see it again will remain for the rest of your life. Welcome to Georgia.